Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or modify underline in a PDF file using Wondershare PDFelement. This is my PDF file and I'll say this underline color and also I'll modify it. Select this comment option and this right sidebar, here you will find this properties option. Now click on this download and select this underline option. Now click on this underline and select and see this and click on this color option and change it color and see this. Also you can change this underline thickness, see this, and change this color again and increase. And also you can add new underline, click here again, select underline and go there and drag your mouse cursor and select your text, add new underline and see this. And again you can change underline color, click color option and select here and see this. And also here you can add dotted underline and this dash underline and so on. And also you can change this underline color properties, sorry, opposites. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.